Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, electric vehicle enthusiasts. Welcome back to Electro Drive News. Today, we're talking about a shift in Texas that's got everyone buzzing. Texans are rethinking electric vehicle purchases. It seems like just a few years ago, electric vehicles were the cool new toy, and with Tesla's relocation to Texas and the introduction of the Tesla truck, buyers couldn't get enough of them. But now, it appears that interest is waning. Let's dive in and find out why. According to AAA Texas, a whopping 63% of Texans say they'd be unlikely to purchase an electric vehicle. A far cry from the enthusiasm we saw just a few years ago. And it's not just the cost. While EVs may seem like a sci-fi dream come true, with prices ranging from $4,000 to $19,000 for a new battery replacement, the overall cost of ownership is starting to take its toll. Plus, there are practical concerns that are deterring people from making the switch. For example, charging an electric vehicle can take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, and with fast chargers only available at certain locations, long road trips can be a major inconvenience. And let's not forget about range anxiety. Will you run out of juice before you reach your destination? Another concern is safety. The fear of fire or battery explosion has many people hesitant to give EVs a try. And then, there's the issue of home charging. Installing a car charger requires significant upgrades to your electrical system, which can be costly and logistically challenging. But it's not just about individual concerns. The overall market is also starting to lose momentum. According to some estimates, the industry's push for widespread adoption has been overestimated, with many experts now predicting that only 10% of new cars sold in the next decade will be electric, a significant drop from the original projections. So what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Well, it seems like interest may return when costs come down and range anxiety subsides. But for now, Texans are taking a step back to reassess their relationship with EVs. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Electro Drive News. We'll be keeping an eye on this story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. Stay charged, and we'll see you next time.